Guten Tag, bonjour, здравствуйте, marhaba. Good day to you, trader. This is Maria from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders, where I'm showing a different approach to the markets than technical analysis, a kind of out-of-the-box approach. In this video, I will continue our journey through WD Gann's Wheel of 24, which I've shown you in my last video. And more exactly, I will show you how to match angular positions of the planets with the prices. So let's start the rock and roll. At the very beginning, let's help the others, let's give a hand to others. I'd like to ask you for one thing, if you can help. I am a big fan of ski jumping and I support a local athlete, Victor. Victor is a great ski jumper from my city. He's 20 years old, he has great talent, but like every athlete you know, he needs money for training and living. If you can give Victor any support, I would appreciate. Under this video you'll find a link to his webpage where you can do it. In my first video from this series, I've shown you a universal clock. I've done it on Excel, and I've shown you as well a graphical representation. Some of you guys asked me to use Ganzilla software. I just owe you an explanation. Basically, due to my work I've done before, I don't use any software which is based in Russia or China. It's just my, I guess this kind of approach. Too many times I've seen what the software can do, and they've got some code lines you wouldn't expect. That's the reason why I'm not using. Sorry about that. I'll try to explain it as good as I can without the Ganzilla. So in my previous video I've shown you this Excel sheet and I try to explain how it works. So if you haven't watched it, I recommend you to watch my previous video about WD Gann Wheel of 24. And just as a quick reminder, this Wheel of 24 is called that way that the whole cycle of 360 degree is divided in 15 rings. Each of the rings contains 24 positions, which each position corresponds to 1 degree angular measurement. So if we analyze it, this is one cycle of 24, which is in value of 15 degree. This is another one, and up to here, and whole cycle ends up here. This is 360 degree, so it's 15 cycles, 24 degree each. I also told you that the most important part of this table, of this universal clock, which is represented on this Excel sheet, are the prices. The prices are in the next columns. They are rising. In this case, it's referred to Euro USD. They rising through by 10 pips each degree. I just took it not by random, but I thought it might be useful. It was working very, very well during the time when Euro USD was moving pretty slowly and average true range was much lower. But in this case, well, I might think about changing it into steps of 20 degree. So I tell you why I started over here. I started over here at 1.033. You can see there is no decimal point here. I started from here because there was roughly in this area was the lowest value of Euro USD this century. How I did it? I got a calculator over here. So each of these columns, I told you, is divided in 24 degree each column. So in order to find the value of this column is to find multiplication of 24. The multiplication of 24 would be over here at the area of 360 degree. So here is the next point, is the multiplication of 24 plus 1. Here is multiplication of 24 plus 2. And now let me just show you quickly how I did it. So I knew that there was the value about 1.034 was the lowest point of the market. So what I did, I took 1034 and divided it by 24. And it showed me there is something over 43. So I calculated 43. I multiplied by 24, which is the value of one whole these mini cycles, and it's equal to 1032. So 1032 is the end of full cycle. So 1032 should be placed over here. 1032, that's the value. Why it did it to me? All right, let's make it bigger. 1032. So this is the next end of full cycle. So the next position, next point will be 1032 plus 1. If you, for example, had something, let's say, what we've got, Great British Pound. What's the value of Great British Pound? Let me show you. I find, here we go. We got Great British Pound. If we find the lowest value of last time, it should be this candle, which is the low of this, is 11409. Okay, let's make it bigger. It's 1140. So we divide 1140. We divide by 24. And we got 47 and a half. So what we do 47 multiplied by 24 and got 1128. And here for Great British Pound it should be 1128 at the end of last cycle of 24. So here would be 1129. I hope it is clear. So you can build up any table for any currency in this way. You can also, if you know how to do it, you can make a circle divided in 15 sections, as I've shown you, is this one. So here we go. This is the circle which starts from 1 to 24 is over here and repeats. The next ring is from 25 to 48 and so on and so on. And here are the prices starting in the same way. So over here start the prices, make 24, the next ring is another 25, and so on. So I hope this is simple. If not, just let me know in the comments below. So what I want to show you today, how we can sort out what's going on. I told you in my last video we are talking about the conjunction of Venus, the Venus and the Sun. The conjunction took place on 2nd or 3rd. Was it 2nd? It was 3rd of June, the conjunction of Venus and Sun. And I've shown you it took place at 73 degree. You see, Sun 73, Venus 73. There was the conjunction, 73. So the price should have stopped somewhere in the area 112.90. It didn't. It went through, as you know, and it went up to 1136 or 1137. Well, it's another bottom of this price. I just wanted to show you here how to work it out, because at the moment what's important today we've got such a situation that we are on 5th of June 2020. It's Friday, last day of the week. We got full moon. You can see here the sun is opposite the moon, 90 degrees, the sun is 75, and the moon is 251, whatever, another 4 degrees, and it will be full moon. So that's the situation, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that much. Most important things, we got sign like that going from the very bottom. We got Pluto 294 degrees, Neptune 350, Uranus is 38, Jupiter is 296, very important. 345 is Mars, 72 is Venus, because it already departed of the Sun in those 2 days. And we got Mercury, 98. What is important, 2 days before, even you could see it was 73 Sun, 73 Venus, Mercury was 96. And I told you, when the planets come to this level, 360 degrees, 96 is here, it might have taken place a trend change. It didn't happen. The market went through the level of 1128, 1129, which is the conjunction of the Sun and Venus, and went up to 1136 as far as I remember. And what happened then? 1136 is, look at this one. We are on Euro USD. At the moment, that's the situation. We got a small pin forming today. We don't know what's going to happen. It might be a huge jump, or it might be huge candle down. We don't know what's going to happen. What we know at the moment, that the market hit this level, which is here, 1138. So the market hit level 1138 and found a resistance. It's at the half of this, more or less half of this candle of last impulse up, the strong one which took place till 9th of March. So that's the level 1138, which is 1138, which is up here. 1138, which is up here, and this level, what do you think? Where is it? 1138 is exactly at 346, which is 346. Have we got it? 345, 44 is Mars. Let's have a look. Mars is 345 over here. So we are at the level 113.70. So the market hit this point and returned on the market. What is more important, we got another level, 296, corresponds to 113.60. 113.60 is the position of Jupiter of 296 degrees. Jupiter is in retrograde motion. And another thing, we got Saturn. We got Saturn, which is at 301, which is far away. It is. So, next point, I presume, if the market goes higher, it's 114.10. I will talk about it in another video about the lines of slower planets, which is Pluto, which is Uranus, and Neptune, and obviously Saturn. But at the moment the market stopped somewhere over here. At Jupiter line, market stopped. 113.60, which is over here. 113.80 is the next level, is 346, which is, or 45, which is roughly the Mars level. So it's a very strong congestion area of slower planets than Venus, Sun, and Mercury. Basically, for the short-term trading, intraday, the levels of fast planets are very good for taking eventual decision of entering or getting out of the market. So all those levels, 24, 48, 72, 96, the positions of the planet at these levels or next degree is at these levels, it might be important for you if you are a swing trader intraday. But for longer term, it's better to take into consideration the slower planets, which slower planet begins from the Mars. Mars got a whole cycle period of 687 days, so it's 1.8 year. This whole cycle of Mars is much slower than Mercury, which got only 88 days it needed to go around the Sun. So what I wanted to show you today, as of today, we are here. At the moment we don't know what's going to happen, but today the fast planet, Venus, is at, here we go, 5th of June, Venus, 72 degree. Faster planet, the Sun is at 75, so we can see Venus is 72, possible turning point, short term, I stress it. So it might be the reason why the market is trying to make this correction. We don't know yet what's going to happen, but that might be a reason. With the strong momentum over here, you can see what's happening. The market just hesitated. Is it going to go higher or not? At this level, once again, 296 is Jupiter, and 345 is Mars. And we got another 301, we've got Saturn, which is 301, which is here, which is much lower. But we also got Neptune over here, 350. Saturn and Neptune are very close. So these are the final levels of Saturn and Neptune, the resistance point at the moment, and this is the low one, probably, for the slow planets. Pluto, where we've got Pluto, we got 290 degree over here. Pluto is 290 degree, which is 113.40. That's the level. At the moment, Pluto is the slowest planet in the solar system, I remind you. So, if the market breaks through this level and don't come back under 113.30, it means that in long term, the next stop based on Pluto line will be at 115.80. Or if Pluto moves, is Pluto retrograding? I think it is retrograding. So whatever. At the moment, if the price goes through the level 113.40, is 113.37 at the moment. It stopped here. Look, it just stands still. It doesn't want to move. We don't know what's happening there. The market doesn't let it go higher. If it goes higher, the next stop will be next Pluto level, 115.80. Over here, the slowest planet. On the way, we got those resistances of Jupiter here, 113.60. We got the resistance of Mars, which is much slower, over here. And what else have we got here? And we got 301 here, which is the resistance of Saturn. So it's still a long way to go. At the moment, it seems pretty strong. It seems pretty strong resistance for the market, because Pluto, slow planet, if it goes through, the next stop will be 115.80. But let's go back to what I have to show you about those very, very quick planets. Quick planets, if we consider something like Mercury, 96, 3rd of June, it was 96 over here. Nothing happened. On 3rd of June was here. and the market didn't stop here. But let's go back. Next stop from 96 will be 72 degree. Let's find 72 degree. Here we go. It's somewhere 71. It's Sunday, 71, 73. Let's try to make it Monday, 3 a.m., 72. It's Monday, May 18th. Let's find it. Monday, 18th. This one. We got 72 degree. Let's go backwards. Another 24 degree, which should be 48. Oh, it's not this one. Let me check. Change it. 48, Mercury 47, and let's do it 48. Here we go. It's Wednesday, May the 6th. Let's have a butcher's. May the 6th. Where is it? Wednesday is this one. 8, 7, May the 6th. Here we go. Okay, 24 degree backwards would be 24. Again, 24, it will be over here. Saturday, April 25th. Let's do it Friday 24th. April 24th, which is, where is it? 21st, 23rd, 24th. Here we go. Another one. Boom. And now let's go back to the zero of Mercury. Here we go. April 11th. Let's find it out. April 8, 9, 10. Which one is that? 13th, 10th, 13th. It is somewhere here. Let's go back. Let's go backwards again. So we got 0. So next one will be 3, 3, 6. And let's check what happened then. 3, 3, 6, 7, 6. March 24. March 24. Where is it? March 26th, 25th, 24. 24 is this one. So it's just the example of Mercury. The fastest planet is faster than the Sun. As I told you, it's only 88 days to make a full cycle around the Earth. So as you see, it's pretty interesting. It hit 4 out of 6. This one is very interesting. Over here, 20th March and 23rd March. I'll make another video because it's very interesting. Those two candles, what happened here regarding universal clock or the wheel of 24. Alright, it's too long. I will continue in my next video. Thanks very much for watching. Just write me in the comment what do you think about it. Write me your opinion, please. I will see you next time. Thanks very much for watching once again. Bye-bye.